Hello everyone, today our topic is top 5 computer programming languages that you should learn in 2023. As technology continues to advance, it's important to stay up to date with the latest and most in-demand programming languages in the industry. Whether you are beginner or experienced programmer, these languages will definitely enhance your skills and help you reach new heights in your career. Number 1. Python. First on our list is Python, a versatile and user-friendly language that is widely used for data science, machine learning, and web development. With its simple syntax and powerful libraries, Python is a great choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of programming. Number 2. Java. Next we have Java, a popular language that's been around for more than 2 decades. Java is widely used for enterprise software development and is known for its robustness and scalability. Java is also a great choice for building mobile applications and has a huge developer community that provides support and resources. Number 3. Number 3 is JavaScript, the most popular language for front-end web development. JavaScript is essential for creating interactive web pages and animations, and has become a fundamental part of web development toolkit. With the rise of JavaScript frameworks like React and Angular, there has never been a better time to learn this language. Next up is Swift, the programming language used for developing iOS and macOS applications. Swift is known for its clean syntax and is a great choice for anyone looking to build mobile apps. With the increasing popularity of Apple's platform, learning Swift is a smart move for anyone looking to break into the mobile development market. Number 5. Kotlin. Last but not least, we have Kotlin, a relatively new language that's quickly gaining popularity for its simplicity and versatility. Kotlin is a great choice for developing Android apps and has become a popular alternative to Java. With Google's endorsement of Kotlin, this language is definitely worth learning in 2023. So there you have it, the top 5 programming languages that you should learn in 2023. Whether you are just starting out or looking to add new skills to your toolkit, these languages are sure to help you stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of technology. So start learning today and get ready to take your programming skills to the next level.